Ya Allah, give us the guidance of His children and all they in this party, not party actually, it's for the children because they have finished their first beginning of their Arabic language study and writing and reading. So we have the first is dua by Ala Shibir Ali Galarsi. Come.
Surah Al-Fatiha po.
Yeah. Nakasama mo.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Arrahmanir rahim. Malik yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
So we have a little bit a gift, a reward for those who have already finished the beginning, just like the alphabets, the Arabic alphabets that they have just done for a little bit few days. But Alhamdulillah, they learn very fast. And we can recite now the alphabet. Okay, make it louder. Start. Alif.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Sa, Sin, Shin, Sad, Ta, Za, Alif, Ba, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Ya, Lam, Alif, Hamza, Ya.
Mashallah,
It's
tabarakallah.
a great word. It's a great job for these children. Actually, these children are from this one school in here in Cordon South Central School. So they are just here in our barangay, but they are interested to study and learn Arabic language as the additional knowledge for them. Alhamdulillah. So we are giving them some rewards from IPSI. Alhamdulillah. And thanks for your support, IPSI Dawa, for helping us, these children, to learn a good thing, and inshallah, we will show them the way, path to a good, just like an Islamic way, life. How to have a good moral character, and how to intermingle with the society. And the best thing is to study and learn the Quran and its meaning, inshallah.
Inshallah.